Log in to oup.instructure.com. If you have only one course, you will enter straight into that course. Otherwise, select your Oxford Learning Link course from your homepage or from the courses list. Select Assignments from the left-hand submenu and scroll down to the assignment you would like to adjust the settings for. Click the 3 horizontal dots to the far right of the quiz title. Select Edit from the drop-down menu. An Edit Assignment dialog box will appear. Click the More Options button in the lower left-hand corner of this dialog box. A new window will appear. You can change the assignment name, add instructions for the assignment, assign a point value, move the assignment to a new group, adjust how the grade is displayed, and specify when the assignment becomes available and to whom. After adjusting the assignment options, click the Save button in the bottom right corner of the window. You will be returned to the main assignments page. To make sure your quiz is now available, ensure that you see the Published icon to the right of the quiz title, a white check mark against a green background. If it is not yet published, the icon shows a gray circle with a slash through it. Click the icon to publish it.